Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I'm Dee Dee and today I'm going to be opening up my first TrendSend box. TrendSend is a clothing subscription where you can fill out your profile online. You get a stylist who will create 3 outfits for you according to your budget and the style that you like. They ask you for your sizes and your lifestyle. They also ask you for your Pinterest page. So if you have some ideas of what style you like, that connects it to them and they can see where you're going with your fashion. Like Stitch Fix, there is a $20 styling fee and you can subscribe to it as often or as little as you want. Once you've gotten the box, you open it up and check out all the different things they have in store for you. TrendSend will send you 3 outfits ranging between 6 and 9 pieces. And if you buy 4 or more pieces, you get a 10% discount. So let's dive in. Just like Stitch Fix, they give you a little note. This one says, "Happy TrendSend Day. I hope this finds you well and super excited for your first box. I found some great pieces for you that will provide some cozy and comfy moments, but you can still look great when you need to step out of the house, you know, like to the mailbox or the trash can, because it's COVID. Try on and have fun. When you are ready to check out, be sure to leave feedback on the pieces so we can continue to send what's best for you. Styled for you by Megan C." Thank you, Megan. I will be very excited to open up all these things. Now, I don't want to look at the prices yet, so we'll look at that later. All right, so this looks like it was the first outfit here. And it's a fun little bundle. The first thing we have, yes, I did ask for things that were like comfortable because I go to school and I'm in front of the computer all day long. And if on a whim I want to go to the mailbox, I don't want to look ridiculous. So this is sweatpants, joggers by Sundry. And they are so soft, very soft. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because it's a good thing because I probably want them, and it's a bad thing because they're probably expensive. So the next thing, oh my goodness, this is the matching, okay, I get to be matchy-matchy. This is the matching hoodie. No, it's not a hoodie. This is the matching sweatshirt, and it's just as soft. So I'm gonna try it on. All right, what else did they send me? Oh. Chaser makes great t-shirts. They're always so soft and they last forever. Very good quality. And I don't like leopard print, but I like this leopard print skull because it's not too much. Usually when I wear leopard print, because my hair is so bright, I tend to look like a clown. All right. I do believe they sent me 2 outfits and not 3, but we'll see what's in here. I love me a little floral print. It's a pretty little top. It's see-through, which I honestly don't mind. It's from Free People, so 99% I'm gonna love it. The next thing, oh, it's like a off-the-shoulder sweatshirt. It's kind of cute. I've recently bought a lot of things in black, so I'm not sure if this is something that I'm gonna keep, but I'll definitely try it on. All right, the next thing is a camisole. Well, these are always great to have because we always need camisoles. Layering is important, especially in fall and winter. And last but not least, a pair of cut from the cloth jeans. I have jeans that look almost identical to these. I will definitely try them on and see how they fit, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep another pair of black jeans since I have about 5 pairs. All right, I'm gonna go try stuff on. So this is the Sundry sweatsuit. I would say it's called a sweatsuit. The joggers and the sweatshirt, they're very soft. I got a little sticker shocked because the price tags are still on it, and My problem is I don't like to know the price because I don't want to judge a piece based on price alone, because sometimes if it's too little, I might think it's cheap and I won't even try it on. And if it's too high, I might think it's not worth it, so I won't try it on. So it's best for me to not know how much something costs and to love it for what it is. However, I did a sneak peek. It is a little cheaper if you buy it through TrendSend, so that's a plus for me. This is definitely very soft, and what really got me is that it has stars on it. And that made me very happy. You know what they say, if it makes you happy, buy it. So this is the Chaser tee. I like it, but I don't think it's very me. I think first of all, it's a size small. I always buy t-shirts in size large or extra large because they end up shrinking anyway. So for me, it's a little small, and I could exchange it, but I'm not sure if I want to because I feel like the skull, it's really cute. It's just very large, and I think it's taking me over. It's a little too much. But other than that, it's a very soft tee, and like I said, I love Chaser t-shirts. They're really nice, but I don't know if this one is for me. So this is the Lila blouse from Free People. And these are the high-rise Connie skinny jeans cut from the cloth in black. And I'm also wearing the Cosabella cami underneath. I'm not going to expose myself too much. The cami's nice. It is a pretty color, green. I am not sure if I want to keep it, but it is a very good price for Cosabella because that's usually a very expensive line, and it was for like $11.99 or something cheap like that. The blouse is pretty. I like the detailing. I'm not sure if this top is flattering on me, although I do think it's pretty. It's just not very complimentary to my body shape. The jeans are fine. I just have so many black skinny jeans, and the fact that skinny jeans are kind of on their way out, I don't want to invest in any more skinny jeans, but they are cute and they're comfy, and yeah. This top is the Line and Dot favorite off-shoulder top. I actually really like this. I didn't think I was going to, and like I had said earlier, I had ordered a bunch of black shirts this past few months, but it's got a different neckline, so it's interesting. It's very soft. I like the length of the sleeves, especially when it gets cold and if you're not wearing gloves, you just want to cover your hands up. It's easy to do that. And it's just very flattering on me. So I'm thinking I might get this top. But again, these jeans, I already have jeans like this, so it would be a waste for me to get another pair. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. So let's get into pricing. This is the, do I look like an old lady with my glasses? This is the Everlace trim cami from Cosabella in olive, and the original price was on here was $32, and it's down to $11.99. Not really going to keep it because it just wasn't thrilling me. It is very nice and it's a pretty color and it's soft, but I just wasn't feeling it. So this is going to go back. The next item is the Happy Skull tee from Chaser. The original price of this t-shirt was $62 and it's on sale for $49.60. Again, I really wasn't feeling it. I thought it was cute when I saw it, but once I put it on, I just wasn't crazy about it. But it's definitely very soft and nice. And if it did thrill me, I would have wanted a larger size anyway. These are the cut from the cloth Connie Fab Ab ankle skinny. These were, like I said, great. I just have so many black skinny jeans, so it's not really necessary for me to buy another pair of black skinny jeans. This was $89 originally, and they are on sale for $71.20. What's different about this is Stitch Fix never has a sale price. They just have the original prices, and that's that. The only way you can buy them at a discount is if you do the buy 5 and then they give you 25% off. But this is good because everything's pretty much on sale, so you're gonna get 25% off or 20% off somehow. And if you buy 4 more items, of course, you're gonna get 10% discount. So it's a really good deal. The next item is the Free People Leela blouse. Very cute, not for me, didn't fit right, didn't flatter me. The original price was $98 and it's on sale for $31.99. So it's a good bargain if you're looking for something like this. It is very cute. Like I said, it wasn't flattering, so I'm gonna have to pass. This top, here, which one is this one? Oh, this is called the Favorite Off Shoulder from Line and Dot. The original price was $90 and it's on sale for $72. I really like this because it has a very different neckline than other tops I have. So I just might keep this. It's really soft and it's very flattering on me. And I could probably wear this dressed up or dressed down. So she's a 90% yes. Oopsies. I dropped it. All right, so the definite keepers are surprisingly the Star Pullover and the Star Pocket Jogger. I was not expecting to buy joggers, sweatsuit at all, but these really impressed me for a number of reasons. First of all, it's more burgundy than you can see in the camera. The camera makes it look red, more wine colored, but they've got more of like a burgundy color to them. They have more of like a purplish tone versus a reddish tone. They are very soft. And the thing that really made me very happy were the stars. They're so happy. I love them. The original price of these sweatpants was $98 and the sale price $78.40, which is like 20% off, almost, yes. And then the top was also $98, which is also for $78.40. Now, if I buy these two, I get $20 off because of the styling fee being credited, so they each would be $68.40. If I get the other top on top of that, it will be $72 extra. Because I'm not getting 4 items, I'm not gonna get the 10% off, but overall I'm getting a good deal because everything was on sale. So you have 5 days to return everything. You go online and you put in what you want and what you don't want. And everything that you don't want, you put in this lovely envelope and you just send it in the mail. You just stick it in your mailbox and there it goes. And that is all she wrote. I really enjoyed getting this TrendSend box. I do get Stitch Fix. I've been getting Stitch Fix for years now, so I thought I'd try something different. And I really enjoyed it because it gave you outfits, whereas Stitch Fix just gives you items that you need to pair with other things in your closet. And that's fine. The other thing I really liked about TrendSend is that it had sale prices. Everything was at a discount. You didn't have to pay full price for every item. So that I find to be really convenient and great, so you don't have to go online searching for deals, and they give you some nice things. One of the things I didn't like about TrendSend was that the tags had the prices on them. So I was already thinking in my head, do I want this? Do I not want this? And I don't like that because then it influences my decision whether or not to get something. I'd rather try it on and then later on find out what the price is, which is something that Stitch Fix does do, is that you don't see the price when you're trying something on until afterwards if you choose to look at the price list, and therefore you make your decision based on that. So what did everybody think? Based on what you saw, do you think TrendSend is something you'd like to subscribe to? Please let me know in the comments and tell me which items you would have kept. I hope everybody had a fun time watching me try on some new stuff, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button.